Hey, Bob Carr here with TLC. Come with us today. We're going to head over to the Eastern Shore, actually Chester, and we're going to install a drainage system for a brand new client of ours. Come along with us, and we're going to show you how this is done. We're going to get it done in one day. Getting underway here on the Eastern Shore. The guys and gals are making progress digging up the trench, which will carry the water out of this yard to the edge of the property, where it will be out of the way once and for all. We will be installing 3 collection boxes and connecting a downspout into the underground drainage system. It wasn't part of the original plan, but our sales rep talked to us and said, hey, let's include this on the install. Just talk to the homeowner. With most of the trench dug now, we have begun assembling the collection boxes, laying out the PVC pipe, and cutting and fitting all the pieces we need to get the system installed. It was here, as the crew was almost finished with the install, that our sales rep arrived and began discussing the quick addition that the homeowner was considering. They finalized the details, and our crew jumped right on it. All that water laying under there was from a handyman company out at the house cleaning the roof and gutters. As our crews were moving along, it only made sense for the homeowner to have us connect the downspout. Once the installation was completed and the yard was put back together, we put down our seed, tested the system, which worked flawlessly. Hey, Bob Carr with TLC. We're just getting back from Chester, Maryland. And on the way back, it was a beautiful view coming across the Bay Bridge. Anyway, we got this job done. We ran a little bit behind today. Handyman service was on the site, and they were running a little bit behind, delayed us from getting started. But we got our all complete drainage system solution in place for this client, for all your drainage needs. We'll get a solution for it and get your water problem solved for you as well. Give us a call here at the office at 410-721-2342.